Hi beauties, welcome back. How are you guys? Today I'm gonna dive right into it. We're doing BoxyCharm today. I'm gonna talk about the product that stood out to me from last month, and then I promised you that I was gonna talk about the product that I finally got to try out. All these products from the month of May. I moved, so the products that I got in May, I didn't get to try them out until like a couple of weeks ago. So I'm gonna give you my favorite from May and June, and then we're gonna unbox July and then talk about those products. So the product that stood out to me the most, which I was shocked over from May, was the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. I'm not a fan of the Tarte Shape Tape. When it first dropped, I tried it out. It did not work for me. It made my eyes look just dried out and like crepey underneath, and it was just not my cup of tea. I returned it. But this one seems to be more hydrating than the original one, and this one keeps my under eyes looking nice and glowy, hydrated. Once I set it, it does not crease. I've had issues in the past where I can set certain concealers from different brands and some of them still crease throughout the day, but this one doesn't seem to crease at all. I love that it's hydrating. I love that it gives me a nice glow on like underneath my eyes. And yeah, once I set it and I have a full face of makeup on, it's like, it looks great. I absolutely love this thing, and the applicator for the inner corners is great. I love this thing. I don't like it to try to blend out the entire under eye part, but at least to get it into the inner corners is fantastic. So this is the product that stood out to me the most, that I really absolutely like pretty much fell in love with from the month of May. Now last month I fell in love with the Aceology overnight lip mask. I kept reaching for this, you guys. It's so good. It sort of gives me like a taste effect of like Vaseline, but it's not intense and it doesn't linger. It's just like once you apply it, you kind of get that Vaseline type of like smell or taste or vibe, but then if it fades away. But this thing, I kept reaching for it. I do like the applicator a lot more on this one because they pretty much curved the rounding of the applicator. They didn't keep it sharp like the other lip mask that I got, which I love, but I've really been reaching for this one a lot over some of my other ones. So this is by a brand, Aceology. I've never used them before. This is absolutely fantastic. I tend to wake up the next morning, I still feel it on my lips. My lips feel hydrated, moisturized. They don't feel cracked out, dried out, nasty, nothing with this. I really enjoy using this one. So yeah, those are my two products from the last 2 months. So let's get into July's box. I did open it up and looked inside, checked out the stuff with my cousin. I'm sad though because I've been saving my cards this month, you guys, and mine came in like a little broken and like folded, but it's okay. But this month's theme is fantasy, so kind of like an underwater mermaid type of thing. And I got a lot of like skincare stuff. Like lately I've been getting a lot of skincare things in my boxes. I'm kind of appreciating it, but then I'm kind of like, I kind of miss the makeup, which is why I always do like add-ons or pop-up shop with BoxyCharm, because you could save a lot of money by doing those two if you're a charmer with them. So I tend to get palettes through there. So I'm kind of like 50-50 on it. It's like I kind of miss it, but then I don't, because I just get it through add-ons. But the first thing in this month's box was I got a Whipped Greens oil-free foaming cleanser by Pharmacy. It runs for $28, and it's pretty much like their Pharmacy moisturizing cream that I got a few months ago that I really liked. I haven't used it lately because I've been using up the Glow Recipe one. I really like that one at this moment. It's not heavy on the skin for the summertime. I got this one and I haven't smelled it, but I think it's the same thing as the cream, just in a foaming cleanser, which is cool. You know, like a lot of skincare stuff can get expensive pretty quickly, so I'm really happy that I've been getting some skincare in the box. That's why I'm kind of like 50-50 on it. But this one's for $28. It's an oil-free foaming cleanser that draws out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. This soap-free pH balance formula is infused with purifying moringa papaya, and green clay to help clean pores and surface residue, while sodium PCA helps replenish skin hydration. So this is the first thing that I got in my box. The next thing that I got, which I already have, I might keep it, I might give it away, but it's by Beauty Bakery. This runs for $24, and this is their translucent setting powder. I really like this. It's not one of my favorites. I do really love their packaging. It's just cute, it's adorable, it's unique by Beauty Bakery. But yeah, I already have this one, and I still have a lot in it. I've been really gravitating towards the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. You guys, I can't stop using it. You guys are right. Like, I could see why it's such a cult, you know, fan favorite. But this is really good. This is Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder. This finely milled oat translucent flower setting powder allows you to set your concealer and foundation in place for a long day's wear. This colorless formula puts on the oily face battle to rest. It will noticeably blur your pores and soften your complexion, leaving you with a beautiful matte finish. I can definitely vouch for that. It does give you a beautiful matte finish. I've never really noticed it like blur my pores out, but you know, it's not a big deal. I literally use my setting powders to set my concealer and foundation in so it can just stay in place. But yeah, this is a really good setting powder. I'm still on the fence about maybe gifting it, but I'm not sure yet. But that's the second thing that I got in my box. And then the third thing I got in my box is by a brand I've never heard before. They're Generation Skin, and it's a hydrating marine algae eye patches. I really like the packaging on this. This is what it looks like. And I'll show you in a second what it looks like inside. It's kind of like those lip masks and the eye patches from ColourPop. There's just like a bunch of them in there, and they're like really jelly and foamy. You kind of have to ply it out of the bottle. But this runs for $50, you guys, and it is a set of 30 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it comes with 30 pairs in here. But this is a marine algae eye patch. Is straight from the sea skincare savior, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around your eyes, it helps firm, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. Used for dewier, fresher looking peepers. So let's open this up so I can show you guys what it looks like. It's pretty interesting. So this is what the packaging looks like, and it comes with one of these to scoop them out, and then the cover. And I'm kind of glad one of them got stuck to the top, so that's exactly what it looks like. It's 30 pairs in there, and you can see that it is very jelly, and it is just falling off of it. So that's what it looks like, you guys. And it doesn't smell like anything. It really doesn't. So I'll be trying those out. I'm sure they're gonna feel a bit slimy on the eyes, but I'm sure it's probably gonna be cooling and refreshing as well. All right, you guys, number 4 in the box is, again, by a company I've never heard before. It's M2U NYC, their makeup blending sponge set. So this one's for $20. A collection of 4 super soft latex-free 3D makeup blending sponges in a variety of shapes to help you achieve the exact look you've been dreaming of. No need to worry about splotches, foundation lines, or creasing. Packaging is cute. It's got little faces on it. The faces are not on the actual sponges. I thought they were, like a dork that I am. They're on the packaging itself. So these are the different types of sponges that come in. I hope that they are amazing. I use sponges for everything, so they just work better for me and my skin and how they lay things down on my skin. I've tried brushes before, but it's just not my thing, you guys, not at all. So the last thing that I got in here is by Basic Beauty. I've never heard of this brand before. It is a summer lip oil. It runs for $18. Ready for a quick pamper session for your lips. This hydrating lip oil nourishes your lips from the inside out with coconut oil for effortless shine and instantly reduced appearance of lines. Okay, I'm definitely gonna put that to the test, and I'll let you know. I've never tried a lip oil before. I'll be honest with you, I just got the KKW lip gloss. You know that I'm not a lip gloss fan, you guys. I'm huge on chapstick. Chapstick is my favorite brand. I'm actually obsessed with all the new flavors that they've been coming out with, and I just bought 2 new ones. Oh my gosh, like I can't. I tried out the lip gloss by KKW Beauty because they were half off at Ulta, and I have to admit, you guys, it literally feels like a lip mask. I put a little bit on my lips and I leave it and I use it overnight, and the next morning my lips are like super moisturized, not chapped at all. They've even given me the same effect as the Aceology lip mask has, the overnight lip mask. And I'm just kind of stunned over it. It's not sticky, it's not goopy, it's not nasty, it doesn't get stringy. I'm like, what is going on here? So I'm really vibing with the KKW Beauty lip gloss right now, which is a shocker to me because you know that I'm not a lip gloss fan. But lip oil is going to be interesting. So this is the last product that I got in July's box. Let me know what you guys got in your box this month. You know, I'm always down to like seeing what you guys get and we talk about it and stuff like that. I'll leave my total value for you right here because I forgot at this point to sum it up for you guys. So that's what I got in my BoxyCharm today. And for my lip combination, I got the Kylie Jenner lip liner. It's just by Ulta Beauty. It comes with the liquid lipstick. I wanted to try it out. I got it for free in an order, so I pretty much couldn't get out of it. I'll be honest with you guys, so far I really don't like it. I don't like the packaging. I love the color, but I don't, because it already transferred on me and I had to fix it. It was just a hot mess. But anyways, and I paired it with Dark and Stormy by Flower Beauty with their Miracle Matte Lips. So that's my lip combo for today. And that's BoxyCharm for you guys today. So yeah, leave me comments down below what you guys got. I'm pretty excited to try these things out. Again, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing safe. Please be kind to one another, and I'll see you in a couple of days. Love you. Bye.